Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it. Sorry, there was a problem with your request on your Instagram, so how you can fix it. So now for fixing it, first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to go to the settings and just check your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also, you can do it with cellular data or mobile data, just turn off and turn on again. After, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait for a second and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And the latest option you can try, just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.